This video I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited resources in Apex Legends. So as you can see right there, I am super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to your browser, guys, and we're just going to go over to Google. So once you're there, guys, go to the search bar and you just want to type in ZooMods. So once the site comes up, guys, go to the search bar and you just want to go ahead and type in Apex Legends. So as you can see, Apex mod. So press on this, it's going to start to download. So it's pretty easy and I really like it, but I'm going to show you guys right here why you shouldn't pay for stuff in Apex Legends, because it is very, very expensive. So as you can see right here, if I type in Apex Legends and I come over here, where is it? Maybe it's because I'm not even on a good phone, but it's very expensive. So I would not encourage you to spend money on this, guys, because it is not worth it. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. Just get the word out about the method. You literally just have to go to ZooMods. That's all you got to do, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out, because this actually is updated, guys. It's super insane. So as you can see, Apex Legends, press on the mod. You got it, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out, because it's super insane. I don't even know how they did this, guys, but it is working. So as you can see, I got unlimited resources. It's super cool, guys. So keep watching the video, and you're going to be rich just like me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is super cool, guys. It actually works. I mean, this is insane, bro. So if you like to play Apex Legends, then you're probably like, why did I spend real world money on the game? Yeah, why did you, when you can go to this site and get everything for free, guys? So that is super cool. So I hope you guys liked the video. Definitely try it out. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you guys had a good time with this one. It's actually updated, guys, and it is super cool, guys. So be sure to go ahead and give this a try, get the word out, and peace out.